Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Epimac. I'm back again. Today we are going to see how to resolve the problem of the computer which shows airplane mode on and off. Remember that when our computer is in on airplane mode, you cannot go to the internet. So, oh my god, we are going to see how we can resolve this problem when the computer shows airplane mode on and off. So when you click here wanting to turn it off, you see that you can't do anything. It can't allow you to do anything further. You munsi bafana banjye turongeye kongera turebe ni gute ufite ikibazo nk'iki kuri computer wagikemura iri kwereka airplane mode and off, kuko ntabwo ushobora kujya kuri internet bimeze gutyo. So the first thing that you need to do is to remove the driver that drives airplane mode. So how to do this? Kugira ngo iki kibazo tugikemure nuko tugiye gukuramo driver ituma airplane mode iba on. Iyo driver tuyikura iyo tubuze kujya muri control panel. We are going to control panel of the computer so that we can remove the driver that allows airplane mode to be on. So when you want to go to control panel, you can have it on your screen, the shortcut of control panel. If you don't have it, like I don't have it right here, you go to start and you use right click. Ujya iyo control panel utayifite muri screen yawe, ujya kuri start button ugakora ibuto ry'iburyo akaba ari ukora click ukareba. So here in the list I see that I don't have control panel 2 while using that way. N'ubu buryo urabona ko nje nta control panel mfite. Aha, where else do we need to get control panel? Ahandi turibuze gukura control panel rero ni hehe? We will go to settings. Let's go to settings to find the control panel. To go to settings, you click on start button, you go to settings. Ubundi ukajya muri settings, niba ibyo byose byanze ukajya gushakamo control panel. Let's go to search, find settings. We write control panel. Aha, turandikamo control panel nizamo tuyishake. Then we go to, let's go to uninstall a program. Uninstall a program. Tugiye gukuramo iyo program. Let's hit on uninstall, drag and click uninstall. Then we'll go to inside airplane mode HID mean driver. Iyi driver niyo tugiye gukuramo. Aka ngaka ubona ndiko kari kubitera, uragakanda. You click on it, then you go to uninstall or change. Let's go to uninstall. Yes, we need to uninstall it. Yes. How not drive using this driver bell mode that you wish to continue. Yes. Then you see, my god, already. So computer asks us to restart. You can start now or restart later. It doesn't mean anything here, but then we'll restart. Ahangaha urabona bya bindi byabyinaga muri screen byavuyeho. Ushobora kuza none n'umutima mwiza ya airplane mode yawe yirute gakora turn off cyangwa turn on igihe ubishakira. You can turn on, turn off whenever you want. So now you can go to internet.